Welcome to Byte Vision YouTube channel. Today we will demonstrate how to register Global Edge HR Solutions website and apply jobs online. Global Edge Hospitality HR Solutions, empowering hospitality through exceptional talent. Now click on Login button to begin, then click on Register button for new account sign up. Here you can create your account by entering full name, email ID, and mobile phone number, or click Continue with Google account for quick sign-in. Select your personal Google account, and to sign in to Global Edge HR Solutions, click Continue. Now one last step, select as job seeker and click Continue. Currently you have created your Global Edge HR Solutions account successfully. Click on Account Profile icon and go to My Profile section. Thanks for signing up. Before getting started, could you verify your email address by clicking on the link we just emailed to you? Open the email from Global Edge HR Solutions email subject and click on Verify Email Address. The moment you click Verify Email Address will sign in to your My Project page. Now click on Camera icon to upload your profile photo, update your current location, professional headline, professional summary, and your personal mobile number for further communication. Current position, current company which you are working currently, total salary. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Expected salary and availability, update all LinkedIn profile and portfolio, website details. Here you can type and update your skills and expertised area. After enter all line, click Add button to add more details. Add working experience, company name, position, location, employment type, start month and end month, or select I currently work here. Tick option once completed. Description details. Click Save Experience button to save the entries. Update education details, institution name, degree, field of study, location, start year and end year. Here more option available to showcase your project work and achievement. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Now go to Global Edge HR Solutions panel. Here you will find Browse Jobs, then scroll down, you will find available jobs, click on View Details, now click Apply Now button. Here you can update your expected salary and cover letter by mentioning all your experiences and skills set to showcase your skills, then click Submit Application button. The hospitality industry thrives on excellence, professionalism, and outstanding customer experiences. At Global Edge, we specialize in connecting businesses with talented individuals who bring passion, commitment, and expertise to the sector. Our services customized manpower and HR solutions that support organizational growth while helping candidates discover meaningful career opportunities in the hospitality sector. Global Edge Hospitality HR Solutions is dedicated to delivering professional recruitment and human resource services tailored specifically for the hospitality industry. We work closely with hotels, restaurants, cafes, resorts, event companies, and other hospitality businesses to identify skilled professionals who meet industry standards and organizational expectations. Contact page, office address, email ID, office mobile number available, office business hours. Here you can click to chat on WhatsApp directly to start chatting with Global Edge HR Solutions. As a trusted hospitality recruitment and HR consultancy firm, we understand the evolving demands of the industry and the importance of building strong, reliable teams. Our goal is to provide customized manpower and HR solutions that support organizational growth while helping candidates discover meaningful career opportunities. With a strong commitment to integrity, professionalism, and quality service, we strive to bridge the gap between employers seeking dependable talent and candidates searching for rewarding career opportunities. Hear the success stories of Global Edge HR Solutions. Congratulations to our placed professionals, talented candidates, companies, partners with Global Edge HR Solutions. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.